Hey guys, so I'm back at the Machnee barn today. Last time I was here I took the roof off and now we're going to work on the exterior walls. There's a little bit more snow than there was the last time, but hopefully it's not going to slow us down too much today. So my friend Kurtis and I have been working away on this wall. So we basically just pull out a beam, cut behind it with a sawzall, and it's a pretty quick process, so it's going on. Kind of sketchy is basically just cut out this section, push that wall off, and then we're going to take the roof off with a zoom boom, or the second floor off with a zoom boom in about 8-foot sections. Happens if you got a good operator. That's how it's done. Like a pro. And there we go. See a wall there, and a roof there, and a second floor there. It's looking good.